All right, today I'm out here looking at one of our flips. Check me out on YouTube, JBFlipSavannah on YouTube, and most of my other handles, JBFlipSavannah on Facebook, JB Real Estate Mogul on Insta, and Mogul JB on Facebook, and JB Mogul on Facebook. All right, but check this out, all right? One of the flips we're doing today, and we got a lot of work going on. Dumpster, right? Got shutters up, working. Working. Installing floors. So we installing the floors to match by the other floors. That's the original. The floors look good. And back deck. Install a whole new back deck. Looks good. Started painting the old shed. New windows in. Looking good. This is one of my Mogul Mentees Property. Beautiful. Damion, looking good. Perfect. Coming along, work. We're working. Bathroom here. Working. Yep. Nice big home. Laundry room. Yep. Man. I'm gonna upload this video on YouTube. You see it. Working. All right, man. So y'all need to see the before and after on this one. It's gonna be amazing. This house is beautiful. Comment, let me know exactly what y'all think. Today we're installing hardwood floors to match with the old floors. So we're gonna refinish everything. So we're gonna refinish the floors that's there, and basically put everything in one stain, which is gonna be amazing. So the entire house is gonna be hardwood floors. So stay tuned, man. We have to fix the floors in the kitchen and the hallway and the bathroom area. Got that stuff out and redo it. So now it looks amazing. So stay tuned, man. All right, peace.